What's going on, you guys? Trip with Cherry here with Body and Soul Transformations. Hope you are absolutely killing this beautiful day here with your weight loss tip of the week. And this week we are talking about fear and weight loss. So fear and weight loss is a very, very common thing because we fear that we're going to fail at it. We fear that we're not going to be good at it. And maybe that's the truth. So what does it do? It makes us actually take zero action whatsoever. And if you're sitting here saying, man, I really want to lose that weight. I really want to get that weight off. It's been on me for years. And you're fearing it and you're doing nothing, let me ask you a question. How's that plan going for you? Well, probably not too well, and I know because I was there. So what's it about? It's about taking action, right? And it's about running towards that failure. It's about feeling that fear and using it. Because here's the truth of the matter. How are you gonna know what success is if you don't fail, right? How are you going to appreciate success if you don't fail? That's the process. So you run towards it, you fail, you get back up and you learn from that experience and you run towards it differently. You fall again, fail again. You get back up, you learn from that experience, you run towards it differently. And through that, you achieve growth. And through that, you achieve a different level of appreciation. An appreciation that the greater the fall, the greater the appreciation on the other side. And that's really what it's about. It's about that process of taking that fear, understanding that that's the only way to know what true success is going to be and also feel like, embrace it, run towards that bad bear. Fear and weight loss. That's what it's about. I hope you guys got a ton of content from this, because if you take this and embrace this, it will change your life overnight. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Trip with Cherry here with Body and Soul Transformations. You have an outstanding, inspired rest of your day.